Depression and stress in cats. Signs of stress in cats and ways to deal with this situation. Stress and depression in cats are complicated problems that can hurt their health as a whole. It's important to know the signs and use good coping skills if you want to provide a supportive setting for your cat. Cats are often thought of as independent, but they can feel stressed for many reasons. Changes in the environment, new family members, or health problems can all be stressful. The first step in dealing with these problems is to learn how to spot the signs of stress. There are different ways that cats can show that they are stressed. Behavioral changes like grooming too much, hiding, or becoming angry could be signs of underlying stresses. A cat's mental health can also be shown by changes in its diet, how it talks, or how it uses the litter box. Keeping cats in a calm and safe space is important for dealing with their stress. Give your cat a designated safe place where it can go when it feels stressed. A synthetic feline face pheromone spray called Feliway can be used to make a room feel more comfortable. Making small changes to your cat's habits over time can help reduce stress. Cats can get upset when their food, environment, or daily routine changes quickly. Allow your cat to get used to new things at their own pace when you introduce them. Playing with other cats is a great way for cats to relax. Playing with toys like feather wands or laser lights not only keeps your mind active but also helps relieve stress. You can also use puzzle feeders to make mealtimes more fun. It is very important to feed cats at the same time every day. A sense of comfort is enhanced by meals and routines that are easy to plan. To stay properly hydrated, which is important for health in general, fresh water should always be available. Grooming together on a regular basis can be both relaxed and fun. Keeping your cat's fur brushed not only stops it from shedding, but it also makes you feel closer to your cat. If the stress doesn't go away or gets worse, talk to a doctor. They can rule out underlying health problems and give advice on how to change behavior or, if needed, give you medicine to help you deal with stress. Catnip and catgrass are natural treatments that can help cats feel better. When given in balance, these can be a simple and effective way to help people relax. When there are more than one cat in the house, making sure each cat has enough litter boxes, food bowls, and places to rest stops dominance disputes and lowers stress. By giving cats vertical places like cat trees or shelves, you can let them watch their surroundings from a safe height, which makes them feel safe and calms them down. For the sake of maintaining a good and healthy environment, it is important to know the signs of stress in cats and use effective ways to deal with them. By giving your cat a safe and caring place to live, you can help it get through tough situations and live a happy, stress-free life. What can a vet do to make sure that cats who are depressed don't get worse? Veterinarians are very important when it comes to finding and treating sadness in cats. When working with depressed cats, here are some steps and precautions that vets can take. Thorough exam. Do a full physical exam to make sure there aren't any underlying health problems that could be causing the changes in behavior. Diagnostic tests. Do diagnostic tests, such as blood work and images, to find out what might be wrong with the cat's health that might be causing its behavior. Behavioral history. Ask the cat owner for a full behavioral history, including any recent changes in the cat's surroundings, routines, or stressful events. Observation. Watch the cat's behavior during the vet visit for signs of stress, anxiety, or sadness, such as hiding, being mean, or changing the way it talks. Use of feline stress scores. Use methods for scoring feline stress to get a good idea of how stressed out the cat is. This can help you measure stress and see how things change over time. Client education. Teach cat owners how to spot the signs of their cat's sadness and stress, stressing how important it is to act quickly and make the space cat-friendly. Talk about lifestyle changes. Talk about any recent changes in the cat's life that might have caused its sadness, like getting a new pet, moving, or changing the routine around the house. Recommend environmental enrichment. Give advice on ways to improve the cat's living area by adding things like stimulating toys, scratching posts, and vertical spaces. Behavior modification plans. Make behavior modification plans that are specific to the cat's needs. And deal with problems like going to the bathroom outside of its territory, being aggressive, or cleaning itself too much. Pharmacological intervention. In severe cases where changing behavior alone might not be enough, You might want to consider pharmacological intervention, such as antidepressants or anxiety medicines. Referral to veterinary behaviorist. If needed, send the cat owner to a veterinary behaviorist for more expert help in making a full plan to change the cat's behavior. Follow-up appointments. Set up follow-up appointments to check on the cat's growth, make any necessary changes to the treatment plan, and give the cat and its owner ongoing support. Working together with other experts. Work together with other veterinary experts, like those who specialize in internal medicine or neurology. If there are signs that the cat's depression is caused by more complicated medical or neurological problems. Continuing education. Keep up with the latest studies and developments in feline behavior and mental health so you can give depressed cats the best care possible. Multimodal method. To deal with the different things that are making the cat depressed, use a multimodal method that includes medical, behavioral, and environmental changes. Veterinarians can better understand and treat feline depression by taking these steps and using a holistic approach. This will eventually improve the overall health and happiness of their feline patients. We hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Hope to meet again with new content.